Hello guys, we'll see how to send USDT from Binance to Coinbase. Firstly, log into your Coinbase account, go to the Overview tab and use the search bar to find USDT. Check if Coinbase supports USDT and that the coin is available for deposit. On the Coinbase interface, click the Send and Receive button. Click on Receive, then select USDT. You will see a QR code and the USDT address. Click Copy to copy your wallet address. Now log back to your Binance account, navigate to your wallet and locate the Withdraw option. In Binance, select USDT from the Select Coin section. Paste the USDT address you copied from Coinbase and the correct network should be automatically selected. Confirm the transaction details, then click Withdraw. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.